One more.
Fuck you.
Yeah, boy.
Taxo.
Go then. Go around. Yeah, this.
Hey, the bastard.
It could be. Well, either yours or you, it doesn't matter. Baby! What? I don't want to spend this much money.
Alright, Mac.
Oh, sorry. No, not coming out, not so physical. Danny, coming out. Yeah.
I'm out. Pop on that one. What?
Roland's fuck off with you. Hey, Roland, do you want a tissue?
Not me.
Hey, Roland,
Give us one more.
do you want a tissue or... That's the joke, that's the gag. Really?
Oh, that's right. Must be all bloody cocaine I snorted in the toilet.
Hey, forget Boyce Avenue, you got Roland's. Hey, you and look a pull. You and.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
One more. Another one?
I feel like I'm on Ed TV
One
or
more?
something like that.
Bogies! Bogies! Oh, talking about bogies, here we go. He's working up there. He's coming around for a sneeze.
Just a temporary thing.
He's coming around for a sneeze.
Roland's really. Fucking really, man. No, I don't want to.
Please! Look, you had a pull.
Bang tidy.
One more.
No one's watching though.